नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल फाइन, हैप्पी नाउस, स्टडिंग वेल, गुड. टुडे विल स्टार्ट आवर न्यू लेसन, लेसन 14. बाघ आया उस रात. बाघ आया उस रात. ओके, बाघ मीन्स हियर टाइगर. टाइगर in Hindi we will say cheetah or बाघ. Okay, so this is a small poem. रात means night. So बाघ आया उस रात. That night a tiger has come. Okay, this is the story, this is the poem name. That night a tiger has come. बाघ आया उस रात. वो इधर से निकला उधर चला गया. वो आंखें फैलाकर बतला रहा था. ओके, someone is saying the story and with expression like he is making the scare also. Who is telling the story, they are making scare and means his face expression also like a very wonder. Okay, and they are saying वो इधर से निकला उधर चला गया. He has come this side and he has gone that side. हाँ बाबा, बाघ आया उस रात. आप रात को बाहर न निकलो. So someone is there, he is saying to his father. हाँ बाबा, बाबा means father. बाघ आया उस रात या that night a tiger has come. आप रात को बाहर न निकलो. You don't go outside night time. जाने कब बाघ फिर से आ जाए. Don't know again when the tiger will come back. हाँ, वही जो उस झरने के पास रहता है. सो अगेन ही सेइंग यस दैट टाइगर ओनली हु इज लिविंग नियर वाटरफॉल. ओके, वहां अपन दिन के वक्त गए थे. सो ही सेइंग द स्टोरी. यस, वन डे टाइमिंग नियर वाटरफॉल वी वेंट ना वन डे देयर ओनली. बाघ उधर ही तो रहता है. दैट साइड ओनली दैट टाइगर इज लिविंग. बाबा, उसके 2 बच्चे हैं. बाघिन सारा दिन पहरा देती है. बाघ या तो सोता है या बच्चों से खेलता है. सो दैट स्टोरी हु इज सेइंग, दे आर सेइंग, यू नो, ही इज हैविंग, दैट टाइगर इज हैविंग 2 children also. Okay, 2 cub is there and his wife means tigress is there na. Whole day she will be like a security to take care the children. Okay, and the tiger whole day either he will sleep or he will play with his children. Okay, this saying. बाघ कहीं काम नहीं करता, न किसी दफ्तर में न कॉलेज में. छोटू बोला. So one more small boy is there. He is asking the question that tiger is not working anywhere. He is going to office or he is studying in college. Just he is saying, he means whole day he is sleeping and playing means he don't have any work. School में भी नहीं. He is not going to school also. That small boy is asking. 5 साला बेटू ने हमें फिर से आगाह किया. So who is saying the story? There is a 5-year child. Okay, a 5-year child is there. He is saying this story about the tiger. So 5 साला बेटू. 5 साला means 5 means 5. साला means साल means year. बेटू means with love. Son we will say बेटू. Okay, बेटा or son ना we will say with love बेटू. So 5 साला बेटू ने हमें फिर से आगाह किया. So that boy, 5-year boy, again he gave warning to his father and brother. Okay, don't go that side. Okay, हम रात को बाहर होकर बाथरूम न जाना. And if you want to go to bathroom night time ना, don't go outside. Here only outside you finish. Okay, so that 5-year boy was saying the story with expression and how he is explaining about the tiger. Next we will go for word meaning. Baba. Baba means father. Baba means father. Father. Bahar. Bahar. Bahar means outside. outside, outside. Jharna, jharna. Jharna means waterfall. Okay, jharna means waterfall. Bagh, bagh. Bagh means tiger. Tiger, tiger. Baghin, baghin. Baghin means tigress. Okay, baghin means tigress. Means female tiger. Daftar, the half the r. Daftar. Daftar means office. 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 Office means daftar. Agah. Agah. Agah means warning. 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 Warning means agah. Waqt. Wa, half ka and ta. Waqt. Waqt means time. 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 Time means waqt. Betu. Betu means boy, son. Betu means boy or son. Raat. Raat means night. Raat means night. NIGHT. So one more round we will read the word meaning. Baba. Baba means father. Bahar, outside. Jharna, waterfall. Bagh, tiger. Baghin, tigress. And here we will read Raat, night. Daftar. Daftar means office. 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 Agah, warning. Waqt, time. Betu, boy. And Raat means night. Next we will go for question answer. Okay. वो इधर से निकला उधर चला गया. यह बात कौन किसे बता रहा होगा? So वो इधर से निकला उधर चला गया. In this poem this word has come. So they are asking who is saying to whom? Who is saying story to whom in this poem? So who is saying? Do you remember? Yes, a 5-year child is saying a story to his father. एक 5 साल का लड़का अपने पिता और भाई को बता रहा है. So a 5-year child is saying the story to his father and brother. तुम्हें यह उत्तर कविता की किन पंक्तियों से पता चला? Okay, so how you know which line you have seen and you got to know who is saying the story to whom? 5 साला बेटू. Word has come na 5 साला बेटू means a 5-year son. With this line we got to know there is a small child who is saying the story to his father. तेंदुआ और बाघ में क्या अंतर है? What is difference between a तेंदुआ and बाघ? तेंदुआ means leopard and बाघ means tiger. So same difference in Hindi also. तेंदुआ के शरीर पर गोल काले धब्बे होते हैं. Means leopard is having black color round black color spot and tiger is having a black color stripe in his body. This is the difference. तेंदुआ के शरीर पर गोल काले धब्बे होते हैं और बाघ के शरीर पर लंबी काली धारियां होती हैं. Means a leopard is having black round spot on his body and a tiger is having a black color big stripes on his body. This is the difference about a तेंदुआ and बाघ means leopard and tiger. Next we will go for muhavra. Muhavra means idioms. Muhavra means idioms. Some word is there, instead of saying a full sentence we will say some word and with that word only we can understand about the sentence means what someone want to say. First one, आंख लगना, आंख लगना. आंख means eyes. आंख means eyes. Lagna means touch. Lagna means touch. So with this word there is no meaning. But when you are saying आंख लगना in Hindi, meaning is something different. आंख लगना means सो जाना. आंख लगना means सो जाना. Sleeping. You are doing some work and sitting you have sleep. Like you are studying sometime and you are tired. You are holding book in your hand and you have sleep. That is called आंख लगना. आंख लगना means सो जाना. Doing some work and that moment only you are sleeping. If you want to make a sentence for this, how we will make a sentence? पढ़ते पढ़ते मेरी आंख लग गई. Means I was studying, just I was studying and I have slept. Second one, आंख दिखाना. आंख दिखाना. दिखाना means showing. आंख means eyes. Showing the eyes, there is no meaning. But when you are using this two words together, meaning will be डराना. डराना means making scare. डराना means making scare. Okay? So आंख दिखाना means डराना. आंख दिखाना means डराना. वाक्य प्रयोग. When you are going to make a sentence, how you will use? मेरा बड़ा भाई हमेशा मुझे आंख दिखाता है. My elder brother always he is making me scare or he is showing eyes. Okay? आंख दिखाना means making scare. Like you are doing some wrong word, wrong thing you are doing, and instead of someone is saying your mother or someone elder in your house not to do, just they will stare you. Okay? Means you should not do that work. That only. आंख दिखाना means with eyes only, giving hint not to do. मेरा बड़ा भाई हमेशा मुझे आंख दिखाता है. My elder brother always he make me scare. Okay? Next, आंख मूंदना. मूंदना means close. मूंदना means close. आंख means eyes. So eyes closing, when you will close the eyes? When you want to sleep or just you want to relax, then that moment you will close your eyes. But here आंख मूंदना means different is there. आंख मूंदना means मर जाना, die. Okay? मर जाना, die. Someone has died, death. Okay? आंख मूंदना, मर जाना. How you will make sentence with this word? मेरे दादाजी ने समय से पहले आंख मूंद ली. Okay? My grandfather before time only he has died. Means that was not the age to die, but he has died. Okay? आंख मूंद ली means he has died. आंख मूंदना means मर जाना. आंख बचाना. आंख बचाना means बचकर निकलना. आंख बचाना. बचाना means saving. बचाना means saving. Maybe someone is hitting, you have keep your hand between that. That is also bachana. Or you are saving the money. That is also bachana. Okay? Someone is hitting someone and you have hold that a small boy or someone is there. You have saved from hitting. That is also bachana. So आंख बचाना. आंख बचाना means unseen. You are doing unseen or बचकर निकलना. Just slowly you are pretending like you did not see. Okay? बचकर निकलना means just you are trying. I have not seen you and you are going forward. How you will make the sentence? वह मुझसे आंखें बचाकर चला गया. Okay? वह मुझसे आंखें बचाकर चला गया. Okay? Means he pretend he didn't see me and he has crossed me. So that is the meaning of आंख बचाना means unseen, doing unseen. Next your मुहावरा is आंखें भर आना. आंखें भर आना means रोना, weeping. Okay? आंखें भर आना means रोना. Someone is saying sad story, or maybe many times you will watch the movie, some sad story is going on, some sad scene is going on, and simply you will start to cry. Your eyes will be full of tears. Or maybe someone is crying sadly, or you will see someone sad and your eyes will be filled with tears. That is called आँख भर आना. Okay, means rona, weeping. How you will make the sentence for this? उनकी दर्द भरी आंखें देखकर मेरी आंखें भर आई. Someone was sitting very sad. To see him, tears has come in my eyes. Okay, उनकी दर्द भरी आंखें देखकर. दर्द भरी आंखें means a sad eyes. Someone, to see someone's sad eyes or sad face, I feel also very sad and my eyes become full of tears. Okay, my eyes has full of with tears. आंखें भर आना means रोना. सिर आंखों पर बैठाना. सिर आंखों पर बैठाना means बहुत चाहना. बहुत चाहना means too much loving or caring. सिर आंखों पर बैठाना. सिर means head. आंख means eyes. So if someone who is making you sit on his head, on your eyes, means they are very special. Okay, they are very loving and caring. That only. सिर आंखों पर बैठाना means बहुत चाहना, too much love, too much care. वाक्य प्रयोग. How you will make the sentence for that? राहुल को उसके दादाजी ने सिर आंखों पर चढ़ा कर रखा है. Okay, so Rahul is some boy. Dadaji means his grandfather. In loving and caring, too much doing pampering. Okay, too much pampering doing. That is called सिर आंखों पर बैठाना. So how will make the sentence? राहुल को उसके दादाजी ने सिर आंखों पर चढ़ा कर रखा है. So सिर आंखों पर बैठाना means बहुत चाहना, बहुत प्यार करना. आंखें भर आना means रोना. So when I am giving you in your exam, this मुहावरा means आंखें भर आना और सिर आंखों पर बैठना. You should write first मुहावरा meaning. Like आंखें भर आना meaning will be रोना. सिर आंखों पर बैठाना बहुत चाहना. And when I am saying make a sentence or use this word in a sentence. So वाक्य प्रयोग means with this word you have to make a sentence. Okay. Like उनकी दर्द भरी आंखें देखकर मेरी आंखें भर आईं. और राहुल को उसके दादाजी ने सिर आंखों पर चढ़ाकर रखा है. Like this you have to make a sentence. Okay children, so this was your small chapter and very less exercise was there. So today we have finished this lesson. Okay, बाघ आया उस रात. So what will be your assignment? You have to write your word meaning, question answer and this muhavara. And before writing, open your book and one round read your poem. Reading practice daily you should do for 5 minutes because next year when you will go in grade 6 it will be more difficult for you. Okay children, so 5 minutes 10 minutes daily do reading practice in your book. Okay, thank you, have a good day.